Why postpartum care matters. Hello, I'm Dr. Diego Di Marco, obstetrician in Brazil. You are planning to give birth in Brazil, you are probably focused on birth itself. But what happens next is just as important, your postpartum experience. Today, I'll guide you through what to expect after giving birth in Brazil, so you feel prepared, supported, and calm. Immediately after birth, a time for bonding. As soon as your baby is born, your baby will be placed on your chest for skin-to-skin contact. We encourage immediate breastfeeding with a nurse to help you. If you had a C-section, your partner can hold the baby while you recover. This first hour is known as golden hour, a precious time for bonding and initial breastfeeding. Your recovery room, comfort and care. Once you leave the delivery room, we'll be moved to a private recovery room. It's a private room. You and your partner can stay together with a comfortable bed, adjustable for your comfort. A newborn bassinet. Your baby stays beside you. Nursing support. Nurses are available to help with breastfeeding, baby care, and any questions. At Baby in Brazil, we ensure your recovery home is calm, comfortable, and perfectly prepared for you. Medical monitoring and checkups or daily visits from your doctor. We ensure your recovery is on track. Newborn health checks. A pediatrician examines your baby, checking their weight, reflexes, and general health. Lactation support. Our nurse help you with breastfeeding, from latch techniques to milk supply. Emotional support. If you feel overwhelmed, our team provides a listening ear and reassurance. Baby's first test and procedures. In the first 48 hours, your baby will receive essential health checks, including Apgar scores immediately after birth, assessing your baby health. Newborn screening, teste do pezinho in Portuguese, a small blood test that screens metabolic disorders. Hearing test, to ensure your baby's hearing is normal. Vaccinations, typically hepatitis B and BCG for tuberculosis is offers in first day at maternity. We explain every test before it happens, so you always know what to expect. When you're ready to go home, discharge process. Your discharge is based on how you and your baby are doing. Typically, for natural birth, 24 to 48 hours. For a C-section, 36 to 60 hours. But we don't rush you. You leave when you feel ready. Discharge checklist. We ensure you understand how to care for your baby. You receive instructions for postpartum care, including wound hair if you had a C-section. We help you to schedule your first postpartum checkup. We ensure you have all documents for your baby, including the birth certificate if you are using our services. Adjusting at home. Postpartum support with Baby in Brazil. Your support doesn't end when you leave the hospital. At Baby in Brazil, we continue care for you. Postpartum checkups, we help you to schedule visits with your doctor. Breastfeeding support, our lactation consultants are always available. Emotional support, if you feel overwhelmed or experience baby blues, we connect you with experienced counselors. Legal and documentation assistance. We help you to birth certificate, passport, and dual citizenship if needed. One of our clients, Laura, told us, "I thought I will feel alone once I left the hospital, but with your team, I always felt supported." That's our promise. Common questions about postpartum care in Brazil. Can my partner stay with me in the hospital after birth? Yes, in most private hospitals, we ensure your room is comfortable for both of you. What if I have trouble breastfeeding? Our team provides lactation support with nurses who guide you on technique and position. What if I overwhelmed and anxious? That's completely normal. We offer emotional support and connect you with experienced counselor. What about postpartum pain? We ensure your pain is managed with safe, effective options, and our team checks you regularly. Why choose Baby in Brazil for postpartum support? Your postpartum journey is just as important as your birth experience. With Baby in Brazil, you are never alone. We ensure you have 24/7 support, from breastfeeding help to emotional reassurance. Expert medical care, regular checkups for you and your baby. Practical guidance, how to care for yourself and for your newborn. Complete documentation excellence, birth certificate, passport, dual citizenship. One of our clients, Emily, told us, "You didn't just help me have a baby, you helped me become a mom." Final thoughts. Our birth journey continues. Giving birth is just the beginning of an amazing journey, and you deserve to feel supported every step of the way. At Baby in Brazil, we are with you from your first contraction until you feel safe on your home with your newborn. If you have any question or want to know how we can support your postpartum experience, contact us.